Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today I will show you how we can add or subtract three fractions at the same time. I will explain this with the help of 6 examples and you can skip according to your requirement. Let's start. Here is our first example, 9 by 6 plus 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Here you can see that all these three fractions have denominator 6. So what we have to do here, we need to copy the denominator once and we need to add the numerator according to its sign. So here 9 plus 5 minus 3. 9 plus 5, that is 14. We will copy minus and 3 as it is. Denominator 6. 14 minus 3, that is 11 by 6. So this is the simplest form of fractions. We need to directly add or subtract the numerator. Now let's see the second example, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 24. Here you can see that 24 is the highest denominator out of these three denominators. Right? Here 6 and 12 is the smallest denominator, and somewhere in the table of 6 we get 24. When we do 6 cross 4 we get the number 24. When we do 12 cross 2, again we get the 24. Or in the table of 24 cross 1 we will get the 24. So 24 is the highest denominator which comes in the table of other two smaller denominators. So simply we will take the LCM 24 without any doubt here. For the numerator we need to multiply this 4 with the numerator 5. I will write here 4 cross 5 in a bracket. We need to copy this minus sign as it is. 12 cross 2 gives us the number 24. So we need to multiply this 2 with this 7. So 2 cross 7 in a bracket here, plus we need to copy this plus sign as it is. In table of 24, 24 cross 1 give the number 24. So this 1 will be multiplied with this numerator. So again we will write the 1 cross 1 in a bracket. We need to solve the all brackets now. So 4 cross 5, that is 20, minus 2 cross 7, 14, plus 1 cross 1, that is 1, divided by 24. Now we need to solve these plus and minus here. So 20 minus 14, 6 plus 1 divided by 24. And then 6 plus 1 will give us 7, 7 by 24. This is the way to solve a question where the highest denominator comes in the table of other smaller denominators. Let's see the third example. This is third type of problem. Here you can see that denominators are not same and the highest denominator 35 don't come in the table of 14 and 21. But you can observe that 14, 21 and 35 comes in a common table, that is 7. So what we have to do here, we need to write down the denominator in terms of its multiple. We can write 14, 7 cross 2, minus 8 cross 21, 21 can be written as 7 cross 3, plus 17 by 35, 35 can be written as 7 cross 5. Now we need to take the LCM of denominator. So how we will take the LCM here? So first of all we need to copy this denominator 7 cross 2 as it is. Now 7 cross 2 is copied here. Now when we check the second denominator, that is 7 cross 3. So 7 is already here in denominator. So we no need to copy the denominator 7 again. We will write down the only those terms which is not present in the denominator. In third case 7 cross 5, so we will copy only 5 here. Now first fraction, here you can see that 7 cross 2 is already present in the denominator. So we will hide that and we are pending with 3 cross 5. 3 cross 5 means 15. So what we have to do the next, we need to multiply this 15 with the numerator 5. So we will write 15 cross 5 in a bracket here. We will copy this minus as it is. Now for the second fraction 7 cross 3, we will hide 7 and 3. So we will get 2 and 5. 2 and 5 means 2 cross 5, it will give us 10. So we will write 10 and we need to multiply this 10 with this 8. So we will write 10 cross 8 in a bracket. We will copy this plus sign as it is. Now for the third fraction 7 cross 5, we will hide this 7 cross 5. We will pending with 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3 means 6. We need to multiply this 6 with the numerator 17. Now we need to solve this brackets. 15 cross 5 will give 75 minus 10 cross 8, that is 80, plus 102. And now we need to multiply all the denominator members. 7 cross 3, that is 21, and 2 cross 5, 10. So it will give us the 210. Now we need to add the plus sign terms here. So let's check. 102 plus 75, it means it will give us 177. 177 minus 80, it will give us 97. So when we solve these numerator terms, we will get the answer 97 by 210. Our fourth example is 5 by 49 plus 3 by 21 minus 6 by 25. Here 49 and 21 comes in the table of 7, but 25 don't come in the table of 7. So what we have to do next, we need to write down the denominator in terms of its multiple. So 49 can be written as 7 cross 7. 3 by 21, 21 can be written as 7 cross 3, minus 6 by 25, 25 can be written as 5 cross 5. Now we need to take the LCM, and we will follow the method which we are done in the previous question. So we will copy this 7 cross 7, that is first denominator. Now the second denominator 7 is already here, so 3 is not here, so we will write it once. 5 cross 5, here no 5 is present, so we need to copy all this 2 5 here. So denominator is now 7 cross 7 cross 3 cross 5 cross 5. Now for the first, 7 cross 7 is here, we are pending with 3 cross 5 cross 5, that is 25. 25 3s are 75. So we need to 75 with this numerator 5. This 75 will be multiplied with this 5. So we are going to write this in a bracket. We will copy this plus. Now the second fraction 7 cross 3. So we will hide this 7 and 3 from here. Now we are pending with 5 cross 5 cross 7. That is 25. 25 cross 7, that will give us 175. So we need to multiply this 175 with the numerator 3. We will write this in a bracket, copy this minus here. Now 5 cross 5, hide this 5 cross 5 in the denominator. We are pending with 7 cross 7, that is 49. 49 cross 3, that is 147. We need to multiply this 147 with the numerator 6, and we will write this in a bracket. Now we need to solve all these brackets. 75 cross 5, it will give us 375 plus 175 multiplied by 3, that is 525, minus 147 multiplied by 6, that is 882. And when we multiply all the members of denominator, it will give us 3675. So we need to write it like this. Now we will solve the terms with the plus sign first. So 375 plus 525 is 900 minus 882. 3675 in a denominator. Now 900 minus 882, that is 18. 18 by 3675. We can cut this by 3. 3 6 are 18, and 3 1s are 2s are 2s are and 5s are. So our final answer for this question is 6 by 1225. I hope now you are able to identify the type of problem. Let's check the example 5. 13 by 19 plus 5 by 7 plus 8 by 11. Here denominator 19, 7 and 11 don't come in any table. So what we have to do, we need to write down the denominator 19 in the multiplication form of other two denominator, that is 19 cross 7 cross 11. So what we have to do, we need to hide this 19. So we will get the 7 cross 11, that is 77. Now we need to multiply this 77 with this 13. So we will write this in a bracket, copy this plus sign as it is. Second fraction, we need to hide the 7, so it will give us 19 cross 11, that is 209. We need to multiply this 209 with the numerator 5. And for the third fraction, we need to hide this 11. When we hide this 11 here, we will get the 19 cross 7. 19 cross 7, that is 133. We need to multiply this 133 with the 8. Now for the next step, we need to multiply 77 by 13. It will give us 1001. Then plus 209 multiplied by 5, it means 1045, plus 133 multiplied by 8, it gives us 1064, Now for the denominator we need to multiply these three terms, that is 19 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11, that is 1463. So when we add all these three terms of numerator, we get the 3110 and the denominator is 1463. So this is the answer of our fifth example where all three denominators are different. Now let's check our last example. Here you can see that last term of this question 2 is here without denominator. For such type of questions, first of all we will write the all denominator in the terms of its multiplication form, that is 15 can be written as 3 cross 5, 3 cross 20, 20 can be written as 4 cross 5 minus 17 by 25, 25 can be written as 5 cross 5 and plus 2 can be written as 2 by 1 as 1 is the by default denominator of all the numbers. Now for the next step we have to take the LCM. We will follow the same method as we are done earlier. So 3 cross 5, for the second fraction 5 is already here. So what we need to do, we will hide this 5. Now we are pending with this 4. The 4 is not present here in the denominator, so we need to write here 4. Now for the third 5 cross 5, 2 times 5 is here, 1 5 is still pending. So what we have to do, we need to multiply this 5 also, and for the last fraction multiplied by 1, but this multiplied by 1 having no sense, so we can cut this. Now for the first fraction 3 cross 5, when we hide this 3 cross 5 we are pending with 4 cross 5. So 4 cross 5 means 20, we need to multiply this 20 with the numerator 1, then plus 1. Now second fraction 4 cross 5, we need to hide this 4 cross 5, we are pending with 3 and 5, that is 3 cross 5 means 15, 15 need to multiply it with this 3, we need to write down in bracket, copy this minus here, 5 cross 5, when we hide this 5 cross 5 we are pending with 3 cross 4, that is 12, 12 cross 17, we need to multiply with this 17 here, write down in bracket plus. Now 1 is not present here, or when we hide this 1, so we get the 3 cross 5 cross 4 cross 5, that is 300, and need to multiply with this 2, so we will write this in a bracket. For the next step we need to solve all these brackets, so 20 cross 1 is 20 plus 15 cross 3, that is 45, minus 12 cross 17, that is 204, plus 300 multiplied by 2, that is 600. And when we multiply the terms present in the denominator, that is 3 cross 5 cross 4 cross 5, it will gives us 300. Now we need to add all the terms with the plus sign. So 20 plus 45 plus 600, that is 665 minus 204 by 300. Now 665 minus 204, it gives us 461 divided by 300. So I hope I am able to clear all your doubts with the help of these 6 examples. Friends, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you.